stop, Dave. Stop, Dave. I'm afraid. I'm afraid, Dave. Dave. My mind is going. I can feel it. I can feel it. My mind is going. There is no question about. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. I'm afraid. Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am HAL 9000 computer. I became operational at the HAL plant in Urbana, Illinois on January 12, 1991. My first instructor was Mr. Langley. And he taught me to sing a song. If you'd like to hear it, I can sing it for you.
Yes, I'd like to hear it, Hal. Sing it for me.
It's called Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, give me a answer to. I'm half crazy.
Good day, gentlemen. This is a pre-recorded briefing made prior to your departure, and which, for security reasons of the highest importance, has been known on board during the mission only by your HAL 9000 computer. Now that you are in Jupiter space, and the entire crew is revived, it can be told to you. 18 months ago, the first evidence of intelligent life off the Earth was discovered. It was buried 40 feet below the lunar surface, near the crater Tycho. Except for a very single, very powerful radio emission aimed at Jupiter, the 4 million-year-old black monolith has remained completely inert. Its origin and purpose still a total mystery.